Hey y'all, Grayson here. Welcome to my channel. Go ahead and get your slow cookers out because in today's video, I'm going to be making my easy slow cooker taco pasta. Let's get started. This easy slow cooker taco pasta calls for pasta shells, chicken broth, taco seasoning, ground beef, bell pepper, whole kernel corn, crushed tomatoes, and salsa. In a medium skillet, I'm going to go ahead and start with my ground beef. Now this is a pound. I'm actually using ground turkey. I'm actually going to use 2 pounds. I just happen to like a lot of meat in my taco pasta. You want to just go ahead and brown that. To this, I'm going to add salt, pepper. That looks good. We're going to go ahead and turn the heat off. We are going to cut up a bell pepper. And I just happen to be using a yellow one. I just like the sweetness of them better. If you like green peppers, then more power to you. I just happen to like yellow and orange better. So you're just going to cut out the inside and I'll de-seed it. Next, we're going to transfer our meat into our slow cooker. Now we're just going to transfer our yellow pepper. Next is a 15-ounce can of crushed or diced tomatoes, juice and all. 1 cup of salsa. I'm using medium chunky. One 15-ounce can of whole kernel corn drained. 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. 2.5 cups of broth. 1. 2.5. Stir all of this together. Oh, it smells so good, y'all, already. Next, we're just going to pop the lid on. We are going to cook this on high for 2 to 3 hours, and then we're going to add the pasta. So we've been cooking this on high for about 3 hours. Now we're going to go ahead and add our pasta. It smells so good, y'all. As you can see, there's quite a bit of liquid in it, and we need that for our pasta. Now I'm going to be using medium pasta shells, and I'm just going to go ahead and add. You just want to tuck those in, and your pasta shells is what's going to go ahead and soak up all of that extra juice. This slow cooker taco pasta is so good. Just make sure that all your pasta shells are submerged really well, and that's all there is to it. Pop the lid back on it, and we're going to cook this for an additional 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and then we'll give it a try, and we'll let you know how it tastes. So see you back in a minute. Okay, let's go ahead and take the top off of it. This has been cooking for about 3.5 hours on high. The pasta was cooking for about 30 minutes, and as you can see, the pasta is completely done. Y'all, this looks amazing. It smells just like tacos. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and top this with a little bit of shredded cheddar. Let's just give that a good stir. Now the moment that I've been waiting for, let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh, it looks so good. It smells really, really good. That cheese just really tops everything off. Look at that. And I'm gonna go ahead and top mine with just a little bit of cheese. Just a little bit. You know, even some fresh cilantro would be incredible on the top of it if you like cilantro. Grab a spoon real quick. Okay, y'all, here goes. Oh, wow. Y'all have got to try this taco pasta. This is amazing. The pasta is cooked perfectly. Chef's kiss. The cheese is incredible. You can taste the pop of tomato in it. The taco seasoning make it taste just like a taco. I'm gonna be eating this for a couple of days, and this even freezes well. I also meant to tell you that this entire slow cooker meal costs less than $20 to make. This is great for weeknight dinners, family dinners, potlucks. If you're having friends over, you throw everything into your slow cooker, cook it on high, and away you go. And y'all, that's gonna do it for today's video and recipe. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today as I made this easy slow cooker taco pasta. It is so incredibly delicious. So anyway, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen. I'll see you in the next one.